champion. Alongside her, Alana Reid of Jamaica. She's been training with Sha'Carri Richardson and her group in America. Bronze in Cali. Lead leg for the relay team that took 5th in Paris.
Hello everyone, thank you very much for tuning in once again today. You know me as an athletic fan, and today I have one super speed video here from our Jamaicans. So guys, before we get into this, I want to give full credits to the original creator of the video I'm reacting to. This footage and breakdown comes from their channel, and I highly recommend that you check out the original video. Thank you. Watch this until the end, and then I'll be back with more commentary.
Of Nigeria, 17 years old, personal best 11:24. Kishona Niles of Barbados, 11:33. Very much a 100-meter runner, improving so much all through this year. In lane 5 for Great Britain and Northern Ireland, Naya Wedderburn-Goodison. Been training in Jamaica, European under-18 champion. Alongside her, Alana Reid of Jamaica. She's been training with Sha'Carri Richardson and her group in America. Bronze in Cali. Lead leg for the relay team that took 5th in Paris. And Chelsea Kadiri of Germany. She's found form at the right time. Season's best to impress in her semi to reach this final. Adeja Hodge of the British Virgin Islands. Semi-finals of the 200 meters in Paris. Now in the final of the World Juniors. And Viva Jinkwi of South Africa looked really impressive in heats. Had to qualify as the fastest finisher from that semi-final. 8 women, fastest qualifiers in those central lanes there. Niles, Reid, Wedderburn-Goodison. Battling it out for this title. Concentration. Focus, final rehearsals. Down the track.
On your marks.
Fast psyching up, settling into the blocks. The final of the women's 100 meters here in Lima at the World Junior Athletics Championships.
Set.
Good start from Alana Reid, who seems to hold the lead slightly at the moment. Can she maintain that? Hodge battling to get back on terms. Wedderburn-Goodison trying to get up there. Hodge could not get back to Alana Reid, who took it on the line. Niles it was who took the bronze medal, 11:18. She does improve on her bronze from Cali, and she takes home the gold medal this time. Congratulations to Alana Reid. Hodge of the British Virgin Islands takes the silver medal, 11:27, and Niles for Kishona Niles for Barbados does take that bronze medal position. 4th for Naya Wedderburn-Goodison, and Jinkwi came up for 5th, Kadiri in 6th. Looking for the flag, there she goes. Find the flag to celebrate. Big smiles, as there should be. She ran the lead-off leg for that Jamaican team, finished 5th in Paris. Ramshaw has topped that now by taking home the title to Jamaica. That is the first Jamaican gold medal of these World Junior Championships. Hodge calmly walking around to make their way around for the photos first.
Kenyatta Great of the British Virgin Islands added to the field. She'll go in lane 9. Final of the under-20 girls, 100 meters.
Alana Reid, the outstanding 10-9-2 winner of the Boys and Girls Championships in Jamaica. Another outstanding favorite, lines up in lane number 5.
Confirmation of the list.
Have qualified comfortably. Frederick looking very strong at the end of her races. She's 4.95, lane number 4 from Trinidad and Tobago.
Love the look of Frederick. Can't sleep on her. But Alana Reid is class.
In the field too, Chantalia Dorset, second in the under-17s last year to Hodge, has made it to the final under 20 in her first year in the group.
Under 20 girls 100 final. Lane 4, Sana Frederick, Trinidad and Tobago. 11:52 to get into this final. Second fastest, 11:54. Alana Reid in her semi-final, but she was cruising from about 50 meters out.
That was a stroll. She'll go faster now in the final.
Under 20 girls 100 final. Off they go. Alana Reid got up well for Jamaica. Reid goes to the front. Alana Reid in control. Alexis James tries to go with her. She can't. Alana Reid blows the field away. 10:94 on the clock. 11:17 it has been adjusted to. Alana Reid produces a super performance, and outside of the controversial record on the books, 11:03 by Aileen Bailey and Tamika Clark, this is the fastest we've seen electronically timed in the history of the Carrera Games. Alana Reid strikes gold. Jamaica finishes 1-2.
This is a super season for Alana Reid. Big double at Boys and Girls Championships, and here on Preston and Horrid in the 100 final. James
in the hurdles, now here in the finals of the 100 meters at Champs.
As reported and suspected, lane 4 empty, no Serena Cole. Alana Reid, she's from Heidel, she goes in lane 5.
Favorite in this event, 11.16 seconds.
Time she set in the semis, her new PB.
This is Tony and Forbes, she's from Edwin Allen. She goes in lane 6.
Edwin Allen's #1 representative here this evening, behind because Serena Cole is not there. She ran 11:51 to get here.
From Morosca Road to the National Stadium, Michaela Gardner here representing for Wolmer's.
Consistent performer over the years for Wolmer's High School, 11.59 seconds.
Sweet sprinter, Kamaria Knight, she is from St. Catherine.
Another opportunity for the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, to celebrate with St. Catherine. 11:55 is the time that young Knight took to get to this final. So, Spencer, we have lost Serena Cole. We still have Alana Reid. We still have the potential, with the conditions being excellent, for sub-11, but certainly breaking Veronica Campbell's record of 11:13.
Again, I think you're spot on, Bruce, because when we looked at Alana Reid doing 11.16 to finish 300ths of a second outside the record in the semis, that tells you she is peaking at the right time She is in prime time shape
And just
to
to say,
deliver something
Spencer,
special here again. Yes, Maurice.
less pressure can mean faster times.
Indeed. So Alana Reid, the big favorite in lane 5. Oh, how we would have loved to have seen the clash with Serena Cole, because it's one apiece between them at the moment. The set position. Off they go. It's a fabulous start by Alana Reid. Alexis James of Petersfield gives chase, but Alana Reid steps away from the pack, decimates the opposition. Stunning performance. 10.90. The flash time. Historic. Sumptuous. New champs record. New lifetime best. A 22-year-old record has been smashed.
Wow, that really seemed so easy because, you know, it's Jamaicans. It's what they do best. Now, let's talk about what we just watched, because this is another powerful chapter in Jamaican athletics history. Jamaicans' dominance in sprinting didn't start with one athlete or one race. This is decades in the making. From junior championships to the biggest global stages, Jamaica has consistently produced elite sprinters. And what you are seeing here is the system working exactly as designed. The athlete in this race is Alana Reid. And if you follow track and field closely, you already know this name is special. She's Jamaican, born just in January 2005, and she's been making waves in the 100 meters, 200 meters and relay events. What stands out immediately is her composure. She runs like someone who belongs at the top. You just look at how she started the race. Explosive but controlled. Once she hits the top speed, the separation is clear. This isn't a lucky lead. This is dominance. She didn't just win this race. She owned it from the start to finish. Alana Reid holds the Jamaican junior record in the 100 meters with a time of 10.92 seconds. And that alone tells you the level we are talking about. She won gold at the World Athletics Under-20 Champions in Lima, improving on her earlier bronze from Cali. That progression matters because it shows growth, consistency, and championship mentality. One of the hardest things in track and field is transitioning from junior success to senior competitions, but she seems to have competed at the Olympics level as part of Jamaica's 4x100 relay pool in the previous video that I posted, and of course she finished 5th in Paris. The experience is priceless because it sharpens you. She came through Jamaica's school system, which of course, to be honest, might be the best sprint pipeline in the world. She is also trained internationally, including time in the United States, and she made strategic coaching decisions to prepare for senior level dominance. What does that show? It shows maturity beyond her age. Born in 2005, but she is mature to know what she needs. And it shows that she has the right people around her. And of course, she's from the best country, Jamaica. So success, she's on the right path to success. I've been seeing some fans and commentators who have a lot of pride and they know that the future is bright for this athlete. So people are saying Jamaica keeps producing world-class sprinters like it's normal. And honestly, that's the scary part. Many fans believe Alana Reid is part of the next generation that will carry forward in global sprinting, and of course that is exactly right. I totally agree with them. Many fans believe Alana Reid is part of the next generation that will carry Jamaica forward in global sprinting, and they are right. I totally agree. She also began securing brand partnerships and ambassador roles, which tells you the market sees her star potential. That only happens when talent, discipline, and results align. When you connect this performance to Jamaica's sprint history, you know, the records, the relay dominance, the championship, it becomes clear. This isn't just about one race or one athlete. It's about a culture that keeps delivering excellence. Watching this race, I understand why Jamaica continues to command respect in track and field. They had, of course, very many renowned athletes who used to compete. And when you think, oh, of course, people are getting old, they are getting out of the game, you get very many more other superstars who are coming up, rising stars. And that's why Jamaica will keep on being on the top. So much respect to Jamaica. Nothing but respect for being dominant and taking over, because I'm an athlete fan, Olympics fan, and Jamaica is always on the top. I love watching Jamaica. If you loved watching this race, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I will be back with more interesting content like this one. Thank you for watching.